so far we've done the ADAS 1 and 2, and Stuart's done the EV course. We find sometimes that Zoom calls tend to lose a bit of the engagement. However, with this course, having someone train us that's been there and done it, they know what they're talking about, so it's a lot more engaging. We seem to learn a lot more through this process, and it's far simpler to do it this way than having to travel to other places.
I found it really interesting. Time's flown by this morning because we've gone into a lot of subjects that are like the future of ADAS, the history of when it started. So I found it really interesting. It's been good. Going into like how different sensors work, different types of technology like LiDAR, radar sensors, cameras. It's definitely helped me going forward. So
I've been doing painting for more than 20 years, and the course was really informative, and I enjoyed it so much. It's really easy to get information, and it's just been really good to attend to this training.
I think it's very beneficial to anyone, especially people who don't do this day in, day out. You'll learn a lot.
I found Train to Gain very helpful. Takes the pressure out of trying to find where you're going for the course. You can do it in the workplace. It saves wasting time from work. You can just do it in the offices. Very knowledgeable. I found Paul very helpful, as he's from the shop floor. He knows all the technical stuff, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.